Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So if the view looks a little different, it's because I'm now shooting on my Sony A7C. I'm still getting used to it, so don't get too accustomed to how it looks right now, because there could be changes to how the overall video looks and all that. But basically, this morning I'm gonna be headed towards Art of Attack in Rancho Cucamonga because they have a Type R meet in this morning. And it's gonna be 9 to 12, but I expect to be there around, not till the end, but maybe like 11 or 11:30. And then tonight I also am hosting a meet with Sharetea. I was able to collaborate with them and get 20% off all the drinks, so I'm hoping that it'll be a good turnout. But it looks like today is gonna be full of meets, so let's head over to Art of Attack and then get some filming done. Type R's came out like crazy, bro. It is a Type R meet, but I didn't expect there to be this many. Damn. Holy crap. At the garage area, really nice cars in there. NSX, another NSX, but the older one. It's hard to talk at this meet because they're blasting music and I don't want to get copyrighted, but there's a huge turnout. A bunch of 10th gen Type R's. Honestly, the older Type R models, there's not many of them, which makes sense, but the meet's been going well. Got a little drone in the background. Got a bike on his Type R, that's sick. Got a 10th gen coming in, 10th gen Accord. Thing is kind of lame, not gonna lie. What is this? Okay. It's loud, but that was a nice Type R. Stands out for sure in the sea of Type Rs that are here. There are some different other cars too, like you see that M3 right here. I think that's an F80, not super sure. Got a RCF right there, S2000s. Let's see, 8th gen Type R conversion right there. This is really clean, I like this. Wow. This might be one of my favorites besides the Type R. Jose's 10th gen, not SI, Type R. GTR right here. Got some more Type Rs rolling through with a STI. Mustang GT. Honestly, the meet's turnout's really big. It's just like I expected, 80% Type Rs, which is kind of what this was for, so. Got a little EG right here. Okay. Found this really far from the meet, but this is super clean, bro. 240SX. Wow. Got this S2000 rolling in. Well, if there was any doubt before if I was in the right place, it's pretty clear that I'm in the right place because there's literally 100+ Type Rs here. The Art of Attack Type R meet so far has been a success, and it's really packed. So shout out to them for hosting the event. Sorry I couldn't talk too much because they're blasting a lot of really loud music, and honestly, if I keep the audio, I'm gonna get copyrighted. But hopefully you guys like the montage. So the next clip is gonna be of my meet that I hosted myself. I'm gonna combine both meets because this one's a little short, and I don't know, it just seems fitting since they're both on the same day. So yeah.
All right, so this is my first Sharetea meet. It's the one in Jurupa Valley. I worked out a deal with them to get 20% off the drinks for anyone who mentions the meet. So far, there's been about 30 to 40 cars here, but hopefully more roll through, and we're gonna get a little meet montage. All right, so the meet's going pretty well. Got a few of the early people leaving right now, but shout out to them for coming out. It was really fun. Got the Accord, the GTR, the M3, and the NSX at the end. They all came as a group, so shout out to them for coming out. But here it is, really sick NSX. I'm gonna be filming that one really soon. Peace out, bro. We got the M3 boys out here. GTR. Oh yeah, thanks for putting out, bro. Yeah, I'm filming on the camera now. It's crazy. Peace out. Thank you, bro. Okay. So we got John's DE, Calvin's Miata, STI right here. 86. My homie's BRZ, Corey's EG hatch, and then you got my car and my squad right there as well. But got some people rolling through. There's been a few cops in the way, or not in the way, but there's been a few cops talking to me, but we're good for now. Calvin, what you think? First
turnout's crazy, bro.
Preston got a new whip, boy. Preston pulled up. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if Alfredo's leaving or not, but that's him and his squad. It kind of looks like they're leaving. We got Oogie right here.
Big ass. Yes, sir.
Nice. Kevin and Oogie. And Nate.
Oh, and Nate.
So this Corvette's leaving. I think the cops moved in. All good. Thanks for coming out. Dude, why are they pulling people over? Please. Oh no, these cops, they were acting friendly while they set up some traps. Damn, they got people all over. Damn. Interesting. That's sick. Got the RSX boys right here. One in the middle is boosted. Okay.
Hey, is that Ricky? Is that Ricky? MR2? That's a white seat. That's white seat. That's running.
Came through with the Q50 too. Oh no, why is this guy doing a fucking donut right here? Hey, this is clean. This is one of the Hatch Attack boys. Got a SI, Accord, and a Golf GTI leaving. Shout out to them for coming out. Hopefully they don't get pulled over because there are cops looking for cars to pull over right now. So this is Manny's RSX. Has a good amount of changes from the last time I filmed it. Aang's front end and the Voltex wing are the main ones, but he has a good amount of updates, so we'll get this back on the channel soon. Shout out to Kevin and Oogie for coming through. Hopefully they had a good time. Hey, say bye. Alright, so Turbo RSX dipping out. I think that's the homie Ethan, bro. Yes, he did. Ethan, right there. Got the bikes here. dude Corey's leaving. Shout out. Thanks for coming out, bro. Sorry about being all over the place, but appreciate you. The SES boys came through, mostly BMW, but they got the HR right there, another BMW. Thanks for coming out. Hopefully they don't get popped by the cops because they're all over the place.
Shout out ABC Garage.
Hey, I'm dead. Get out of here. Thanks for coming. Dude, this guy's a dumbass.